Howdy everybody. This will be a high-level overview of kind of the intent behind the ShootOFF install script for Ubuntu Linux. This is really aimed at guys that aren't intimately familiar with the command line and just want to click something and make it work. So for now it is running as a shell script. Hopefully I can get a legit GUI installer, but for now I think this will solve about 80%. This is about an 80% solution. So what you're going to do is download the script and then right click on it, and then the permissions, we need to make it executable, and this will give it permissions to run and install. So we're in the downloads folder, right click, open in terminal, and then that'll open up a shell for us. So what we need to do is sudo current directory, and then ShootOFF, enter, and then your password. And if you don't enter the password, it'll actually catch itself in an error. So the first warning is just, we're going to use Java's SDK. You can get OpenJDK working, but it's kind of a pain, and this is kind of the easy button for, again, the common man. So if you don't want it, Control-C out and figure out another solution. But for now, you can use Oracle's SDK for this. So I obviously already have Java installed. I'm on satellite internet, so my network is incredibly slow. So for now, just for testing, all this stuff exists locally. Like you got the ShootOFF zip, and then Java is obviously already installed. But if it's a first-time install, you'll have to go through some prompts. It just says, just click OK through it. I know it's horrible advice, but just agree to the user terms and all that stuff. So you should be running. So here, if you want to add a desktop icon. I don't like desktop icons, but I understand some people do. So it's just a simple yes, no prompt. We're going to go ahead and add one. And you can see the desktop icon comes up. Now, Frac or whoever's maintaining the files for ShootOFF, if there's any way we could do like a ShootOFF icon that's not one of the target files, because this is already included in the zip file, so I don't have to pull any downloads from the net. So if we could, let's get like a ShootOFF icon that is like a brand. I think it'll look a little bit more professional. Anyway, there's two ways of launching this. Obviously, it's a desktop icon, and then through the installer, a script was created. So you literally just do shootoff.sh and it'll launch. The script will be useful for debugging and troubleshooting, because you'll get the terminal output of what the program is doing when it's executing. So if you do run into trouble, try running it from the terminal and then posting your output. Reddit is probably the best place. So we're gonna go ahead and do it off the icon launcher. It's gonna take a second to load. I really don't know how to say this, but make sure your stupid webcam is plugged in, because someone will bring it up that it doesn't work. Alright, so here's the side wall again. Everything's loaded, so we'll load a quick target in here on the light switch, and I'll grab my SIRT pistol and we'll put a couple rounds. So that's basically it. The just getting the initial thing running. It does work with the projector on Linux. I've done that as well. Later on, I'll probably make another video in regards to how to get the camera optimized for the light settings, and that'll be through GovC View. I'll work on a tutorial kind of after we finalize the script installer and maybe add the GUI. But the optimization there for Linux is it's there, and it's worth going through the trouble. So that's this. I'm gonna toss it up on YouTube, and see if we can't get this working better. The biggest things I want to double check are the permissions inside the script. So if you guys are experienced with bash scripting, please help a brother out. Alright, other than that, appreciate the time. Look forward to talking to you guys. Bye.